Prophet of the Most High God, Onyamuma,
Brother Kevin.
man of God.
How did he manage to get here?
Prophet, Onyamuma, if you know the aggregate of my Iwe and Onuma, you won't be asking me these questions.
To wait for me at the church.
There is fire on the mountain.
The mountain? Sit down, brother. Sit down. What?
A relationship I've been building for some years now. Chai, I have laid the foundation, completed the DPC, laid all the blocks.
Wonderful. Meaning the wedding bell will soon be ringing.
For where?
But you just told me you've laid the foundation up to DPC and laid the blocks for the relationship.
Only for me to wake up last week to discover that another man, Akunyego Bam Bam, on top of the building. Another man has roofed the house after spending so much money on this girl. From her OND to master's degree. She's on her way to Oklahoma with a rich missionary.
That is selfishness.
And wickedness in the highest order. Only that I'm a law-abiding citizen. I don't want to take laws into my hands.
I'm happy, Brother Kevin, that you didn't want to take laws into your hand. And I'm happy you have chosen to forgive them.
Mbakwa! That is why I'm here. I want you to cause both of them. Cause the man to death and cause Vera to madness.
Brother Kevin, you have forgotten that vengeance is of the Lord. Besides, I am only anointed to bless and not to curse.
Onyamuma. This is $1,000. My battle seed.
Hey! Heaven is provoked. Brother Kevin, the soul that sinneth shall die.
Now you are talking. And the wages of sin is death.
In fact, not only the wages, but the pension and gratuity of an iniquity of such gravity is tantamount to spiritual termination.
Onyamuma. What are we waiting for?
Brother Kevin, do you have their pictures? Or any of their
I know you can do it.
This is not ordinary. How dare you? This is not ordinary. This is an anointed sword of the Spirit. When you get home tonight, by midnight, come out of your front of your house, draw a big circle, call the name of the woman 7 times. They will both appear before you physically. Speak unto this anointed sword of the Spirit and slay them 7 times. By the next day, you will hear them scatter yakata like kata. And in the next 7 days, return my anointed sword of the Spirit with another victory seed of $500.
Baby,
now this is this.
You are keeping me waiting for too long. Come on, another 2 rounds won't be a bad idea.
Hey! Vera! Prophet! So you are the missionary that missioned my wife out of my life with unholy meter. Hey!
Vera, you know each other?
I'm sorry for the embarrassment. That is my illiterate ex.
Hey!
Bracket, please, Bracket. Forgive us. For we know what we do at Bracket. We know what we do.
According to you,
we know not what you do at Bracket.
The wages of
forgive us.
The wages.
Forgive us.
Pension and gratuity of an iniquity of this gravity is spiritual elimination.
I'm sorry.
But as you can see, you have handed me a weapon for a physical elimination.